Words to use instead of very. Very painful. Excruciating. Example: I have an excruciating headache. Very pale. Ashen. Example: she was thin and her face was ashen. Very perfect. Flawless. Example: the woman who has it all always look flawless. Very poor. Destitute. Example: the beggar on the street was destitute and hungry. Very powerful. Compelling. Example: she had a compelling need to share what she had heard. Very pretty. Beautiful. Example: they live in a beautiful city and house. Very quick. Rapid. Example: this house has undergone a rapid change. Very quiet. Hushed. She liked a hushed and dignified atmosphere. Very noisy. Deafening. Example: the noise of the machine was deafening. Very often. Frequently. Example: frequent hand washing is one of the best ways to avoid getting sick. Very old. Ancient. Example: she found an ancient cup from 1,000 years ago. Very old-fashioned. Archaic. Example: the company needs to update its archaic computer systems. Very open. Transparent. Example: it was transparent that she was irritated. Very rainly. Pouring. Example: it's pouring outside, so you'd better take an umbrella. Very rich. Wealthy. Example: he grew up in a wealthy family. Very sad. Sorrowful. Example: they spoke sorrowfully about the young man's death. Very scared. Petrified. Example: most people seem to be petrified of snakes. Very serious. Grave. Example: his solo investigation puts him in grave danger. Very sharp. Keen. Example: dogs have a keen sense of smell. Very shiny. Gleaming. Example: her black hair gleamed in the sun. Very shy. Timid. Example: she's very timid and shy when meeting strangers. Very simple. Basic. This course teaches basic computer skills. Very cold. Freezing. After walking through the snow, my feet were freezing. Very cute. Adorable. Example: here she is with an adorable puppy. Very nice. Kind. Example: she is a kind and polite person. Very hungry. Starving. Example: providing food for starving children. Very colorful. Vibrant. Example: Hong Kong is a vibrant, fascinating city.